Hi, thanks for comment. I have used cross-country skis for this riser. This riser is a bit another as my 3D module on GrabCAD. This part is a bit more of this or of this side. I don't know. Now if you need this module, I can upload it. I have cut in 2 arms. .65 centimeters on this side. It's same 65 centimeters, but from here to here have I 44 centimeters, and this arm is a bit longer, 50 centimeters and 5 millimeters. You need this part, this cut in the middle. And this bow is now 40 pounds strength. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.